are the powerful tractor TD 130 horsepower 4x4 tractor, 6-cylinder natural aspiration, 5,600 cc and 180 fuel tank, liter for fuel tank, and maximum lift capacity 2,350 kilogram. And the gearbox is 24 plus 6. And this tractor with a cabin fully and completely air conditioned, heat and cold. And this tractor has front and rear camera can monitor all the directions. And the cabin, the 360-degree vision. This tractor very good for hard working and the farmers and for all agriculture machinery and harvesting and any heavy duty. And the engine is YTO, the most famous and the most efficiency engine in China. The cabin for tractor TD 130 4C, 130 horsepower 4x4 and air conditioned. The BTU, as you see, 530 until 1000, and it has cameras here while working and for some protection for new air, fresh air, air conditioned for all directions, fan, warning lights, front and rear lights, control remotes, buttons for all of functions, radio and 3-point hitch, 3 spool valves, 3 input and 3 outputs. The chair adjustable, front and rear, up and down. Extra seat